Also being worked on in Washington, the White House is reviving a push to put Harriet Tubman on the $20 bill. The banknote currently features President Andrew Jackson, who was known in his time as a war hero, but is also criticized for having supported slavery. On the other hand, Harriet Tubman was a 19th century abolitionist. After escaping slavery herself, she set about freeing hundreds of others through the Underground Railroad. The idea to swap Tubman for Jackson was initiated in 2016 by the Obama administration. 3 years later, the head of the U.S. Treasury Department said the change couldn't happen until 2028 due to technical problems. The U.S. Treasury Department is the government agency in charge of handling federal finances and currency. But just last week, White House Press Secretary Jen Psaki said this about the $20 bill.
The Treasury Department is taking steps to resume efforts to put Harriet Tubman on the front of the new $20 notes. It's important that our notes, our money, if people don't know what a note is, reflect the history and diversity of our country, and Harriet Tubman's image gracing the new $20 note would certainly reflect that. So we're exploring ways to speed up that effort, but any specifics would of course come from the Department of Treasury.
For this week's poll, we want to know which banknote you would change next. Head to our online poll to choose from the $1 bill with George Washington on it, the $5 note depicting Abraham Lincoln, $10 with Alexander Hamilton, $50 with Ulysses S. Grant, or $100 with Benjamin Franklin. Then write to us and tell us who you would like to see on a U.S. banknote. Bonus points if you submit a drawing with your answer. Teachers, you can find this handy worksheet beneath the episode online.